all kinds of flavors, diversified food colors. All-in-Robum Combi Steam Oven CQ926H01. The large volume of surging steam penetrates through the ingredients to prepare nutrition and flavor. The 5+1 multi-dimensional stereo baking system maintains an even temperature in the cavity to cook the ingredients to the best test. The multi-stage cooking modes can be flexibly combined for steaming and baking. Besides, the air frame with no oil and no burden satisfies your appetite for fried food, soothes your soul, and enables you to enjoy the rewards of life. To serve you with the most delicious food and make your life more colorful.